Okay, so I'm back, and this is the, oh, 1 second. There, now you can see it. This is the Titanic Centennial Edition model kit. Just going to adjust the camera a little. There you go, see? Now you can see it. So I will bring the tripod over here. Angle it a bit so you can see me open the kit. So give me 1 sec, here we go. So you saw the top of the box. Hopefully it's not glued together, but if it is, I'm going to use the X-Acto blade to carefully cut the tape here. There. There. There, and there. That way you don't damage the box art itself. Make sure the blade stays in, of course. There we go. Okay, and you can see the back of the box here. Come on. The back of the box here and all the printing and all the detail pictures and everything. I'm going to put on the floor, you can see better. There we go. See? Got it. It's all there. There you go. Alright, so now I'm going to open it. And if you look close, you can see along the top the entire timeline, probably of the sinking of the ship, all the way along to the very end. Yeah. Okay, so that's the instructions. Alright, so you got the little paint and glue and stuff that comes with it, and a little brush, so that's good, that was part of it. You have the side of the ship here. You can see it's all one piece again, and it seems to connect in the middle. They all seem to connect in the middle these days, unlike the other kit I have. You've got the string for the, you know, between the masts, the rigging. And let's see what we've got here. So, looks like you've got a few postcard portraits of the Titanic. Let's see if I can carefully, because this is a 10-year-old model kit, of course, because it's the Titanic Centennial. It came from the 2012 kit, so there's the Titanic itself. There's a postcard of the Titanic's height. Of course, there was no Empire State Building at the time. And there is the Olympic. Now, if you take a close look, you're going to see that the Olympic masts are quite a pinker color than the Titanic mast. So there is a difference. Quite a difference there. I'll have to take care when I'm painting it that I paint it the proper color. But that's good. You got those postcards. That's excellent. You have something here. It looks like oh, it looks like it's like a Titanic menu. That's good. And what do we have here? Some kind of Oh, it's like a book. A book of different rooms in the Titanic itself. I see. The dining room, everything. That's quite something. The grand staircase, of course. The great dome at the head of the staircase. And then, of course, history on the Titanic itself and its construction. There you go. Oh, that's really neat. It's neat that this Centennial kit comes with all these extra pieces. And then, of course, you have the... oh, here we go. You have the standard guide itself. I'll get to that in a minute. But there you go, there you go. See? You have the decal sheet. Or maybe it's a sticker sheet. But you see, there's the gold lines, and they should be able to fit properly this time. There's the flags. And here's some other markings that weren't on the other one. A bow of the ship, etc. So it'll all work out. That'll be great. Yeah, so let's take a look at the guide, because it always has interesting information. Like, there's the color key on the left side. You can see how 10 is actually a mix of two colors, but it's the only one that is. And it shows you the sprue trees, and the different parts that are on each, all numbered, of course. Back of the guide shows you everything that came in the ship, of course. And then how you start putting it together. So you start with the base, and then you just go all the way through. All the way through the ship. So it'll be a... I know it attaches in the sides, but it should all work. And the guide takes you through all the steps and tells you how to, even how to paint the portholes. That's brilliant. Or to drill them out. Oh no, black paint. Okay, good. Shows you how to do the rigging, if you want to do the rigging. I'm not sure I will. We'll see how it works. Quite extensive, though. Really quite extensive, all the different colors. Like over 60 steps, really. But that's good. That's a great model, and it's nice. I love the anniversary kits. I mean, I have the 40th anniversary space shuttle. I have 2 Star Trek 50 years kits. But, like, you'll never see a Centennial kit again. So it seems great to have that.